Say away, away, away. And let's slow down that transition from to e, and we say away, not a wee, but away. Better. And keep your tongue down a half a second longer on the first vowel, away. Perfect. Very good. You kept the tongue low and relaxed. Away. Say go away. Good. And let's link the two words. Go with a wa vowel. Go away. Go away. Go away. Let the tone of the voice go down. Say away. So a, this is a diphthong sound. Di meaning two. We have followed by e. The dominant vowel is twice as long as the e. A. Okay. Obey. Not obey. But we need to be on the part of the word longer. That's the dominant vowel.